Welcome to Motorsports International. Back in the shop here. And no more Kawasaki news. Quickly, as you can see here, 18 to 20 Ninjas. These are the models. Right there, 18, 19, and 20. So what this is a reflash of your ECU. Should take about half an hour. And if you want to take a screenshot of that, this is what happens. Right here. I'm not going to read it to you because I know you can read. The real problem with this is if the gears do break, and they might, normally your normal reaction would be to pull in the clutch, right? And maybe coast. Nope. It just has no effect on it. When you have broken gears on the input and output shaft, pulling in the clutch will have no effect on the rear wheel. If those break, it can lock up, and it's locked up. There's nothing you can do about it. So that's why it's serious. You really need to have this done. By the way, happy birthday, Richard Jr. Everybody knows you're 40. Now they do. Okay, that's it, guys. I'll talk to you next week.